This video will show how to draw the staircase start to end. Now select the staircase layer from the layer list. Make the staircase rectangle. Take polyline to draw the steps. Copy staircase steps. Again take a polyline. To mark an intermediate landing, select predecessor, mark, staircase and intermediate landing. Again take a polyline to draw a railing. To mark railing, go to predecessor tab, select mark, staircase and railing. Select open polyline for assigning staircase railing height. Now the assign name dialog box appears. Enter the staircase railing height in meters. Now click OK. Now here select yes to assign more railings and select no to stop assigning. Now go to the predecessor tab, select mark, staircase, normal default or internal staircase as per drawing requirement. This is how to draw the staircase. Thank you.